As we prepare for varying weather conditions, it reminds us to ensure our home is ready for Minnesota's changing seasons. Programmable Wi-Fi enabled and advanced thermostats save customers money by reducing natural gas usage and helping lower heating bills. These thermostats allow homeowners and renters to program custom settings that reflect their personal schedules. An advanced thermostat learns your schedule and preferred temperature settings and automatically programs a schedule based on your behaviors. Advanced thermostats with motion sensors can also detect whether individuals are present in a room and automatically adjust that room's temperature accordingly. There's an affordable model to fit any household, with some including features like remote programming and indicators that let you know when it's time to change furnace and air conditioning filters. With the programmable thermostat, you control your energy cost while providing comfort and saving energy. Upgrading your thermostat may be the ideal solution for you, your home, and your budget. Even better, there are also rebates available with the purchase and installation of a programmable Wi-Fi enabled or advanced thermostat. Saving money on your initial investment and on your monthly bills? That's a win-win. Check out cashrebatesnow.com for more information on rebates for thermostats and other energy efficiency rebates.